Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm here, Kenzie. That Mom now. Yeah, this is the first time I actually entered a vlog in a few vlogs. There's like a toy store called Toy Factory. I'm walking here real quick. I'll be right there. No control Lambo. Drones. More drones. I want one, but on an airplane, so I'm not allowed to have one. Transformers, Bumblebee. I want robot. Helicopter, control helicopters. Mama, come here. I know. Feels good on my nose.
Over the hotel?
If only we drove down here, I can get that one.
All right.
$70.
We're headed that direction.
What did you touch today?
We're walking into the lobby of the hotel.
Look, Kansas Jazzy.
I know, right?
There's Jazzy. Doesn't look like it, though. Sounds like her. Squirrel!
We're in the shopping center.
Did you see him, sis?
I'll go catch him.
I'm gonna take him home, don't run.
I just want to get it on video. There's pigeons. Right there he is. Right there. Kenzie, I found him. Kenzie, I found him. He's right up in there. I don't know if you guys seen him or not. Pigeon.
Yeah. Yep, we sure did. Same thing.
Okay, I'm back with you.
Pigeon. Where did the squirrel go? He go out?
No, he's back here in the bush getting some more nuts. They have different spinners. Look, they have metal regular spinners here. Batman and Flash ones.
Huh? The snake's put away. The alligator's put away.
Man. Then there's parrots. I like to take pictures. Fidget stores down here. Usually there's lizards and stuff, but they don't in and out. I know they're pretty. I'm not allowed to take pictures because if not, I get charged. The street's gonna move approximately. This tree is 75 feet tall, 110 years old. They can grow up to 100 feet, 30.5 meters, 22.86 meters, and live approximately 1,000 years old. This tree's gonna be here longer than any of us is alive. 1,000 years if anybody's watching this, yeah. Huh?
He's about 8 foot long and 300 pounds, I bet he will.
But what?
Alligator.
They have no doors open. Just closed.
When they close is where their force is.
Yeah, you could hold their jaw shut like that.
Yeah, when they open
Oh man, look at my Fidget on camera.
and they let go.
Fidget.
I mean, they just go like that with their jaw shut.
Look at stop sign. I'm just aggravating you. I'm just aggravating.
His giant spider.
Yeah,
Mommy,
if we
isn't
want
that
to, we can go ahead and go
isn't
to
that your
airport.
favorite animal?
Take a picture of your mom in front of that spider.
No.
She hates him. Oh, there's a charger.
Call them and say, hey, if you're available to come earlier, we're ready whenever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There you guys. Almost. No.
Yeah. We'll get
I'll start another vlog
baby.
at the airport.
Okay.
What?
Her gum. She needs gum.
If you don't have gum there, I'll fly to Mexico. Get you some. Whatever it takes.
She's got to have what's not minty.
Oh, hey, I fell back down into the road.
See, maybe
There's this freaking
I
rubber
walked
tree
down the
or
street
something like that.
yesterday.
Which ones are rubber plants, Mom, man?
None of them.
Oh, none of them?
no.
What about that tree?
No.
Oh, whatever. It's really cool. Hey, Kens, check out my fidget spinner on camera.
Yeah.
Hey, Zach, you ever seen a fidget spinner on camera?
It looks like I ain't
Check it out.
that fast.
Cheers, check it out. Oh, there's a Camaro. Oh,
Is it ice
look, I found a whale.
He's out of water.
You guys don't know what I'm talking about. What's your friendship over there? Everybody has Audis in Miami. I don't understand why.
Still at CBS.
Huh? Oh. And
Can you
Nissans,
get Kenzie
Cadillacs,
some
and
juicy fruit
Mercedes-Benz are really popular.
Or watermelon. Yeah, she don't like the minty, so she's got to have something on the plate. All right.
Let's just go. Come on.
And Mars, getting your gum, Sissy.
Okay.
Looks so cool on camera. Guys. Like I said, BMWs and Nissans and Mercedes-Benz and Chevys are all really popular in Miami. So are squirrels. Are squirrels popular in Miami too?
I had a thing of juicy fruit on the freaking counter to bring.
Aren't squirrels really popular in Miami too?
And I come off and forgot.
And that Camaro looks so cool.
Then you don't like the minty either, so I'll still some.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, look at that Porsche. Porsche. Yep.
Can we
Porsche.
run?
Another.
They don't take off right now.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Run!
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 Where your fucking balls go?
Oh, crap.
That Porsche. The Porsche tried to run over us.
That's a rubber tree right there.
All right, here. It's a rubber tree. That Porsche tried to run over us. Zach, I got that on videotape and on my family channel. You saying that?
Are you still putting that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
I have to. I've been videotaping for 8 minutes and 7 seconds so far. A Fidget. Grandma, Amos, have you ever seen a fidget spinner on camera? Watch. Doesn't even look like a spinner. Pool was out there. I should go out there and swim. I can't. Yeah. There's nice furniture in here. I just moved that table. But yeah. Get your fidget spinners. Should get a bunch of fidget spinners like these coming out soon. I'm kidding. No. It's 100K first. And then I'll get me some fidget spinners, not like this, maybe one or two like this. 100K, and you might be able to get one like this. Alright, but yeah, so I'm a piranha. Oh, yeah, but you'll probably get another vlog at the airport. Kenzie, everybody's over here. But yeah, goodbye and see you at the airport, I guess.